Now this particular hinge pin up here, I had the same issue here. It was kind of pushed in a little bit, and I opened the door, and sometimes if you open and close the door, you might find that it's in the right position. Well, it's pretty close, but I still can't push it down. But it's so close that I know that if I'm careful, I can just get up there with my cutters, grab it right where it's at. Okay, because it's not in there yet. I'm going to pinch hard and tap it in. There it went. Okay. See, these cutters are a gold. They're worth their weight in gold when you're putting hinge pins in by greasing them. Okay, I got that one in, and I've already got this one. I just was able to push this down with my fingers, and I got it down just to there. So, like I was saying, don't tap it in any further than that. Okay, I don't want to tap it in any further than that until I get this bottom one out. And I'll grease this up quickly. Make sure I can put this back down. This one came right out. Everything's perfectly in line. Now if I would have tapped this other one down all the way, this one could have sprung maybe one way or another. It didn't, and maybe it wouldn't have anyways, but I'd rather do this, and that way it gives me a little bit more room to move this back and forth if I need to. This time I don't. It went right down. I got some stuff on my fingers, and so before I do anything, I'm going to take my paper towel, wipe them off, get my cutters, put it upside down so I've got the flat top. I mean, you could flip it either way if you want, but I just do it that way. Same thing up here. I have not hit the door edge with my hammer yet, or the edge of the door casing. And this particular door casing is pretty fat, so it sticks up real close to the back side of the hinge pin. As you're tapping it down, you'll see that's another good reason why to use cutters and grab it and then tap it down. All better.